Hey guys! Today we are going to learn how to draw our very own pencil character like the one that we saw in the book Pencil, A Story with a Point by Anne Ingalls and Dean Griffiths. First, I want you to make sure your paper is up and down or vertical like mine is in the video. This will give us lots of room to draw our very tall pencils. You're going to be drawing your very own pencil character, and I want you to use the pencil to draw at first. I'm going to be using a marker in the video just so you can see it better, but I want you to use a pencil just in case we need to erase. The first thing we do is always the same. We take out our pencil and we write our names. Go ahead and write your name on the back of your paper, then flip it over to show that you're ready to get started. Before we start, I want to talk about parallel lines. Parallel lines are two lines that go in the same direction without touching each other. We've learned about vertical, horizontal, and diagonal lines. And for drawing our pencil, we are going to be doing two vertical parallel lines. That means two parallel lines, two vertical straight lines that are not touching each other. See how the sides of our pencil are two straight lines? That is how we're going to start our drawing. Before you start, let's decide where we're going to put these straight lines. We want them in the middle, not too close to the bottom, not too close to the top, because we need to leave room for the other parts of our pencil. So we're going to draw two straight vertical parallel lines in the middle of our paper, making sure to leave room on the top, on the bottom, and the sides for other things that we're going to add to our drawing. Also make sure that they're not too close together and not too far apart because we need to fit our pencil's face inside, so not too close together. Next, we're going to draw the tip of our pencil. If you look at yours, you can see that the tip has two diagonal lines that meet at a point, and that is the point of our pencil. So we are going to draw two straight diagonal lines to make our pencil's point. Now to start, you're going to put a point toward the top of your paper in between your two lines. You're going to draw a diagonal line up and a diagonal line down, connecting to the straight lines we did at first. This makes like an upside down V, or like the beginning of a capital letter A. Next, we're going to draw that zigzaggy line. This makes the difference between our pencil's point and the rest of our pencil. It does not have to be perfect, just draw a zigzag line. And then we're going to draw a little curve at the top to show where our pencil's lead is. Next, we're going to draw the silver part of our pencil, which is called a ferrule, and our eraser. So if you look close at your pencil, those are the parts we're going to draw next. First, I'm going to draw a curved line going from one side to the other of my pencil, connecting my two lines. Then I'm going to draw the same type of line a little bit above the one I just did. Now, you're going to draw the eraser, and it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going to go down, curve over, and curve back up. It's okay if it's not perfect because maybe your eraser has just been worn down a little bit, like mine. I'm also going to add a couple more lines to my ferrule. I'm going to give you a few moments just to catch up in case I went a little bit too fast. Now let's draw our pencil character's face. You can draw the face however you want. This is just a suggestion. I'm going to start with two circles for the eyes. They don't even have to be the same size. Next, to add the pupils to my pencil character's eyes, I'm going to draw two circles or ovals inside the 2 circles that I just drew. You can draw them looking whichever direction you want. I drew mine cross-eyed. You can add eyebrows if you want to, eyelashes, eyelids, any other little details, maybe even glasses. It's totally up to you. Next, let's add the mouth. For my mouth, I'm going to start by drawing a curved U-shaped line underneath the eyes, and then I'm going to draw another U-shaped curve coming down farther but still connecting to my first one. This will make an open, smiling mouth. Then I'm going to draw an upside down curved line, kind of like a rainbow line, inside the mouth for the tongue. If you want to, you can add 2 more little curves to the corners of your mouth. I'm also going to add 1 more curve to the bottom so that it kind of shows his lip. Now it's time for the arms. To draw my arms, I'm going to start by drawing 2 parallel diagonal lines. That means 2 lines going in the same direction, but they don't touch. And at the end of my arm, I'm going to draw some curved lines for fingers. Then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side for my other arm. 2 diagonal parallel lines and some curvy fingers. Now, hopefully, you drew your pencil character with a pencil. If you want to trace with a marker, that's totally up to you. If you have it and you want to do it, that is fine. Or you can just skip right on ahead to coloring. Now remember, you can color your pencil character however you want to. It does not need to look like a real pencil. You can add stripes, polka dots, any sorts of crazy designs you want. When you're done coloring your pencil, you can add a fun background. I'm using my pencil to draw lots of different designs, words, drawings in the background so that you can see all of the cool things that a pencil can do. Have fun creating your pencil character and drawing an awesome pencil background. Hope you guys enjoyed!